In today's episode, we're exploring a game-changing initiative from EON Reality that's helping to accelerate workforce training for Louisiana's advanced steel manufacturing sector. With the launch of the AI for Income Incubator, EON Reality is leveraging spatial AI and XR technology to create a future-ready workforce for modern steel mills. This initiative aims to equip workers with the skills needed to operate complex, AI-enhanced production systems, and it's doing so 4x faster than traditional training methods.
Exactly. As Louisiana positions itself as a leader in steel production, with massive investments like Hyundai's $5.8 billion steel mill, the need for highly skilled workers is more critical than ever. But traditional training methods just can't keep pace with the rapid pace of technological advancement. That's where EON Reality's platform comes in, offering immersive XR simulations that allow workers to practice in a virtual environment, without the risks and costs associated with physical training.
The AI-powered simulations are incredibly effective. Whether it's mastering the continuous casting process or practicing robotics automation in the steel mill, EON Reality's XR technology creates interactive, real-world scenarios that help workers build the practical skills they need to succeed. These simulations offer real-time feedback, ensuring that workers are learning by doing.
What's truly unique is how the spatial AI system personalizes learning for each worker. The tablet-based interface adapts to the learner's pace and skill level, ensuring that each worker gets the guidance they need to move through the training faster and more effectively. This is especially critical for high-risk jobs where safety and precision are paramount, like high-temperature steel production.
And it doesn't stop there. This program also provides clear pathways to careers within the steel sector. EON Reality's AI-powered Career Compass helps workers identify skill gaps, map out personalized learning paths, and even connect with industry job opportunities.
This initiative is more than just training. It's about building a sustainable workforce for Louisiana's advanced manufacturing ecosystem, boosting local economies, and ensuring that Louisiana's steel industry stays competitive on a global scale.
Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.